Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are to learn difference of two squares. That is the special case of multiplying binomials. So let's apply FOIL to this factored form. First term, x multiplied by x. O, outer. So x multiplied by the minus 3. Inner, 3 multiplied by x. And last, 3 multiplied by minus 3. We are to simplify x multiplied by x gives you x squared. X multiplied by minus 3 gives you minus 3x. 3 times x gives you 3x. And 3 times minus 3 gives you minus 9. Remember the plus sign. And let's simplify the sign we have. So x squared plus minus gives you minus 3x plus 3x plus minus gives you minus 9. And if you are to refer to the linear term we have, minus 3x and 3x can get eliminated. So your linear term is being removed. You should have x squared minus 9 left. And I would like to rewrite this 9 in terms of a square number, that is 3 squared. And now I would like to generalize this rule we have, and this is called the difference of two squares. The reason is if you are to refer to the right-hand side, you see that you have x squared, that is a square, minus the other 3 squared. And in this case, I would like to generalize it by using the letters a and b. In place of x, I'm going to put a, and in place of 3, I'm going to put b. So the conclusion is you have a plus b multiplied by a minus b gives you the difference of two squares, that is a squared minus b squared. Let's look at this example. This is indeed a difference of two squares, where you have a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So we are to use the shortcut method. Let's first identify a and b. In this case, I believe your a here is your 2x. So in place of a, you are to put 2x. So 2x, and together inside the parentheses, a squared minus b squared. In place of b, you are to put the 5. So b squared is 5 squared. By removing the power, I believe you should get your answer as 4x squared minus 25. And that should be your final answer without doing the middle steps.